Mozaru, why a title so yet a chiro kakra. Obi pese or set up business. I choma dream jane. Until na a pese o boy I have for no cham for ye kakra chira ye. No one who said ye city. Obi a wire stranded in setting up a business.
Okay. So setting up a business is similar to say here na shasi. I say okay. Bring your drew like very apple. So me to akoko bi. Na manye no bring your bread. That's what I say. So like I don't know who go out to start a business. That's your goal. Akoko na business now or be investing. Because what akoko na be manage. So what start a business so I mean for instance why I say first, second, third year business in the most cabisa.
Okay.
Those who bring your income revenue kakra. But income I always expected. I always expect it will be $1 million that.
Okay.
For the start there, it's what I want to be managing. But there's a more big kakra. If you are on the way, but to see a be near there.
Okay.
Your man say, what I go. Ubu and say Ubu Kunari. Bunya, your business do for short term. When you're not area business like so what achieving goal. And I hope business will for long term. They are not down to Kokobema because you say long term as a business no not extra economy. So that one you get a hand like a cocoa bar. When you're cocoa bar no I walk down a set like or tukusia. What is it?
Okay.
Or tukusiana a friend saying if you bring a new dry you just take one of a like what you see for
Interesting.
Then the remaining ones all trends ever multiply. So that's where the business keep growing. So it's the same as wow talk to see for one channel money. So you have to be putting money into it. So always set your business it's not say what's it here we that's all. For the first to third month in there, you have to be giving something to the business.
Okay.
So you have to have a backup, like whatever manage business. That's why most business almost start here now collapse because they don't have the backup.
So does that mean say be start a business and I'm start a business I should not expect profit from it.
Don't expect profit. Business is meant for profit.
Okay.
But ABR, you are making $1 million business.
Okay.
For the first to third months, bureaucrat 5 months, you are not going to get up to ABR after $1 million.
Okay.
You get something, but not something I always expected.
Alright.
Maybe you were creating the thing say and come on to be a bit mama ABR 30,000. So like what creating at an ABR for the first to be 5 months ABR when you are ABR 5,000, 6,000. And like it's not what you are looking for.
Sure.
Yeah, so that's how a business is. Sometimes you have to nurture it to some extent and you're managing to count very well.
Okay.